I got this double-sided sticky bra. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It comes in a clear plastic case like this. The great thing about these is that they are reusable, so you're able to wash them. Also, another great feature about these is that they are double-sided sticky, so you are able to stick it on to your clothing and also to your skin. So let's go ahead and check it out. I did get this product gifted to me by the company to give my full and honest review, so let's see what they look like. So take a look. It does come with a little plastic paper, so we do have to remove that. Overall, like, my hand is getting stuck, so the adhesive is pretty sticky. As you could see, it just looks like this, so you want to go ahead and scoop, and it is double-sided. So on one side it's solid, and then the other side is the side that's going to go against your skin. As you can see, it has an indentation right there. So let's go ahead and give these a try. Okay, I went ahead and tried them on. The great thing is that you could put these on your clothing first and then attach them to your body. They are great. Like I said, you could wear these like with the strapless summer dress. As you can see, I don't have anything hanging out or anything like that as far as like the straps or anything. It does feel comfortable. It is not falling off. The sticky part was pretty sticky, like it just stuck to the clothing and to my skin. Now I could really wear my summer dresses. Very, very nice. Another great feature is that you could also wear these with your existing bra, so you could actually insert them to give you added volume and support. But overall, if you're looking for a solution to wear a strapless or summer dress, or just to add that added volume onto your top, then I would definitely recommend this product.